Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about what stock we traded today and what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof, and also I have done a live trading on the same level what I given for the clients today. I'll be showing you my live trading, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. If you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. Today we trade on Axis Bank. So we shorted the stock in the morning and it fell all the way down and the targets were achieved. So let me show you the profit proof. So here is the first screenshot of profit. 1700 rupees profit, 5525 rupees profit, 2280 rupees profit, and 3015 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we are able to book today in today's trade of Axis Bank. So now let me show you my live trade what I did on Axis Bank futures. So guys, planning to do the live intraday trading on Axis Bank. It's a future, planning to sell it at around 439.4. As of now, it's still at 441.5. So waiting for our sell order to get triggered. So we'll see how this stock would perform today. 441.50. $440.85. So this is a future. 441. So our order is not yet triggered, so we'll see. 440.8. Okay guys, 440.25. So our order should have been triggered. Yes, it is triggered now. And we shall exit this around 437. So yes, I'm planning to exit this around 437. It has taken at 439.5. still at 438.8. So we'll see how this stock will perform now. So guys, as you can see, the target is hit. So let me show you my trades. So yes, 10-3 we got sell at 439.5, and at 10 minute and at 10th hour 4 minute 437.2 has been touched, and our target is achieved. And as you guys can see, 2,760 rupees profit I was able to book today, and I purchased only one lot of futures. Okay, I mean I sold one lot of futures of Axis Bank and I was able to book this profit. So as you guys can see, I made 2,760 rupees profit, 2,760 rupees profit, and the stock is still continuing to fall down. So we shorted it at 439.5 something, and as you can see, 436.5, 435.8. So as you can see, it's still continuing to fall. And also guys, this was the call what I gave for my clients today as well, and also this is the same call what I traded today. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now to learn 90 to 95% accuracy strategies which will help you to make consistent profit like this. So guys, as you guys saw, that was my live trading on Axis Bank, and the platform which I used to trade was INTRADAY. Okay, so let me show you the margin, like the capital what was required to do in one lot of futures in Axis Bank. So to do trade in Axis Bank futures, that's 1,200 quantity for the one lot size. I just needed 12,630 rupees. Okay, so as you guys know, I maintain capital of 20,000 rupees in Asta account, and just for 12,630 rupees I get one lot of futures for Axis Bank and I can trade with it. Okay, so I made almost 2,700 rupees profit with the capital of almost 20,000, so almost like 12% plus returns on the capital. Okay, so if you are interested to open account in Nasta, you can go inside the link in the description below of this video and open your account. The advantages is that you get good margin here, and also the brokerage is less. Okay, you can go inside this website and check all the details about the margin and the brokerage, and if you guys wish to open the account, you can go to the link in the description below and click on that and open the account. Everything is an online process. Okay, and also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.